Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about welding. So basically welding, it is the process of joining. It is a process of joining similar or dissimilar material. Similar or dissimilar material with or without using Fettler material with the application of pressure or heat. So these are only the advantages. It basically, with the help of welding we can join similar or dissimilar materials. Okay, and also welding can be done anywhere. So coming on the disadvantage of welding, first is, in welding you need a skilled operator. Only a skilled operator can do a welding. Okay, and second thing, if for example the welding is incorrectly done somewhere, so if you want to if it is incorrectly, then you have to dismantle it. There's none other option, that is you have to dismantle the other, then only the welding can be broken. It should be broken because it is not like welding is incorrectly, if the welding is incorrect, you have to distort it. So basically the material gets damaged, you have to distort it. No other option is left, only option is that you have to distort it, and so the material is broken, and so the material is of not in use. So that's why this is the disadvantage of welding. And also high investment cost is used to set up, because there are different kinds of welding: TIG welding, MIG welding, solid state welding, so gas welding. There are various type of welding, so setup cost is very high, so investment cost is very high. Now coming on to the important topic, that is weldability. Weldability is basically the ability of a material to get weld. Ability of a material to weld, and it depends on this question can be asked, that on which things the weldability depends. So it depends on the resistivity and melting point basically. Okay, so weldability is directly proportional to resistivity and inversely proportional to melting point. So this question can be asked in your exam, that how the weldability depends on the resistivity and also on the melting point. So I hope you got it about this. In the further videos we will be discussing more about welding. Thank you.